Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your Facebook password. All right, let's begin. Please note that there is no way to view your password directly within the app if you haven't previously saved it to your Google account. If you have saved it, follow these steps to retrieve it. First, open your device settings and scroll down toward the bottom to access Google. From here, select your preferred Google account at the top and tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. Once the account menu opens, navigate to the Security tab and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. In this section, access the Password Manager and use the search bar at the top to specifically look for Facebook. Once you find the entry, tap to access the password details. For security purposes, you will be prompted to verify your identity using your device's passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. After successful verification, you will be able to see your saved Facebook passwords by tapping the eye icon next to the hidden characters. So that's basically how you can see your Facebook password. That's it for this video. Thanks!